Hello everyone, welcome back. Today we're going to do another video on the topic of green IT and sustainability. So let's get started. So what all we're going to discuss in this video? We're going to discuss what is green IT, what are the causes of green IT, what are the advantages of green IT, what are the disadvantages without using green IT, how environment is being polluted, give solution for that using green IT, give proper solution which can be used in IT technology to save the environment. So, what is Green IT? Green IT, which is basically green information technology, is the practice of creating and using environmentally sustainable computing resources. Green IT aims to minimize the negative effects of IT operations on the environment by designing, manufacturing, operating, and disposing of servers, PCs, and other computer related products in an environmentally friendly manner. The motive behind green IT practices include reducing the use of hazardous materials, maximizing energy efficiency during a product's lifetime, and promoting the biodegradability of unused and outdated products. The concept of green IT emerged in 1992 when the US Environmental Protection Agency (EPA) launched Energy Star, a voluntary labeling program that identifies products that offer superior energy efficiency. Organizations and consumers who use IT products with the Energy Star label can save money and reduce greenhouse gas emissions. The EPA later also funded development of the Electronic Product Environmental Assessment Tool Standard and a campaign product registry which ID buyers can use to find environmentally preferable technologies. Other components of green IT include the redesign of data centers to be more energy efficient and the adoption of other green computing measures in data centers as well as green data storage, green networking, and the increased use of virtualization and cloud computing technologies. What are the causes of green IT? Green IT is important for several reasons, including the following three. The climate change. Enterprises IT emits a lot of greenhouse gases and contribute to climate change. Businesses must track and reduce their emission as well as various types of toxic electronic waste that pollute the environment. Green IT approaches can be useful part of broader climate strategies in companies. Compliance. Businesses are increasing under pressure from governments and the public to reduce their environmental impact. Green IT makes more efficient use of resources, reducing waste and emission, and improving recycling rates. These help businesses comply with government regulations. Competitive advantage. Green IT can be a component of environmental, social, and governance initiatives in companies, and many now use ESG reporting to disclose green IT practices. Positive ESG performance is attractive to customers, prospective employees, and investors. IT organizations often include ESG practices as purchasing criteria when choosing information and communication technology. Benefits of green IT. It reduces waste and emission, contributing to a healthier planet. Encourage use of energy efficient technology that can save money. Enable compliance with laws and regulation. Improve brand perception with customers and partners. Help recruit and retain employees. Spur innovative solutions to environmental problems. What are the advantages of green IT? Basically, green IT offers the following social, environmental, and benefits business. Reduce emission. Decreasing carbon emission helps improve the environment. To limit global warming, worldwide emission must be reduced by 7.6% every year to 2030, according to the United Nations. Less waste. Reusing and refurbishing IT equipment is more environmentally friendly and potentially cheaper option for product acquisition. It is also part of the circular economy, which eliminates waste and improves supply chain resiliency. Circular economy models can also involve servitization, where companies sell products as a service and manage the maintenance and end of life processes for customers. Extended maintenance periods. Reusable green IT products allow for longer maintenance cycle and less frequent device replacement. Cost saving. Using more energy efficient technology to reduce energy consumption helps a business reduce its energy bill and carbon footprint. Raised awareness. By using green IT methods and reporting on their use, businesses set an example in their industries and foster collaboration with other companies on climate initiatives. Improve corporate culture. Green IT demonstrate to employees that they work for an ethical company, which can improve employee morale and retention. Increasing sustainability through the use of green technology also presents opportunity for more efficient ways of working. More sustainable product design, having green IT goals encourages vendors to design environmentally friendly technologies and approaches. Improve reputation. Green technology uses and creates a good public image, improving a company's brand perception. Increase customer satisfaction and loyalty. Many customers want to do business with socially responsible companies that make sustainability a key part of their strategies. The actions to help reduce e waste. Refurbish. Devices are refurbished, cleaned, repaired, and tested and reused. Resell. Individual devices or components are resold. Recycle. When IT electronics are not working and are unrepairable, the only option is to recycle them. Responsible disposal. IT companies provide the secure destruction of data and environmentally friendly e-waste recycling. What are the disadvantages without using green IT? Increased energy consumption. Traditional IT infrastructure tends to consume significant amount of energy, leading to higher electricity bill and increased carbon emissions from power generation. Environmental impact. Higher energy consumption contribute to environmental degradation, including increased carbon dioxide emission, which contribute to climate change and air pollution. Waste generation. Traditional IT equipment often leads to significant electronic waste, e-waste, when discarded, as older devices are frequently replaced with newer models. Improper disposal of e-waste can lead to environmental contamination and health hazards. Resource depletion. Manufacturing traditional IT equipment requires substantial amounts of natural resources such as minerals, metal, and water. Without recycling and responsible disposal practices, these resources are wasted. Higher cost. Over time, the operational cost of inefficient IT systems can be higher due to increased energy consumption, maintenance costs, and disposal fee for e-waste. Regulatory compliance issues. Many regions are implementing stricter environmental regulation regarding energy consumption, e-waste disposal, and carbon emission. Non-compliance can lead to finance and legal liabilities for organizations. Public image and corporate social responsibility (CSR). Organizations that do not adopt green IT practices may face reputational damage and criticism from stakeholders concerned about environmental sustainability and SCR commitments. Missed opportunities. By not embracing green IT, organizations may miss out on potential cost saving, operational efficiencies, and competitive advantages associated with sustainable practices. How environment is being polluted gives solution for that using green IT. Populating the environment refers to the act of deploying and setting up IT infrastructure and system in a way that minimizes negative environmental impacts and promotes sustainability. Here are some solutions using green IT. Energy efficiency in data centers. Virtualization. Implement servers virtualization to console multiple virtual machines onto fewer physical servers, reducing energy consumption and cooling needs. Efficient cooling. Use advanced cooling technologies such as free cooling or liquid cooling to reduce energy consumption in data centers. Renewable energy. Power data centers with renewable energy sources like solar or wind to minimize carbon emissions. Energy efficient hardware. Energy star rating. Choose IT equipments, servers, computers, networking devices with Energy Star rating to ensure that they meet energy efficiency standards. Power management. Enable power management features on devices to automatically power down or enter sleep mode when not in use. Reducing e-waste. Life cycle management. Implement strategies for responsible disposal and recycling of IT equipment at the end of its life cycle. Reuse and refurbishment. Promote reuse and refurbishment of IT equipment to extend its lifespan and reduce the need for new purchases. Telecommuting and virtual meetings. Remote work policies. Encourage telecommuting and virtual meetings to reduce commuting related carbon emissions and offers energy consumption. Video conference. Use video conferencing tool to minimize travel and associated environmental impacts. Paperless operation. Digital documentation. Adopt digital document management system to reduce paper usage and printing needs. Electronic signatures. Use electronic signatures and workflow to streamline document process and reduce paper waste. Education and awareness training programs provide trainings to employees on green IT practices and the environmental impacts of IT operations. Promote sustainability. Foster a culture of sustainability within the organization by promoting eco friendly behavior and initiatives. Implementing this solution not only helps in populating the environment with IT infrastructure but also ensures that it is done in a sustainable and environmentally responsible manner, contributing to overall environmental conservation efforts. A proper solution which can be used in IT technology to save the environment. First one, smart grid and energy management. Smart meters. Implementing smart meters to monitor energy usage in real time helps in efficiency energy management. Demand response system. These systems can adjust the demand for power instead of adjusting the supply. Renewable energy integration. IT help integrate renewable energy sources like solar and wind into grid, optimizing their use. Data center optimization. Energy efficient data centers. Designing data centers to be energy efficient using advanced cooling techniques and renewable energy sources. Server virtualization. Consolidating servers through virtualization to reduce the number of physical servers and hence the energy consumption. AI for predictive maintenance. Using AI to predict and address maintenance issues before they cause downtime or energy inefficiency. Internet of Things, IoT, smart agriculture using IoT devices for precision farming to optimize water usage, reduce waste, and improve crop yield. Smart cities, implementing IoT for efficient traffic management, reducing emission, and monitoring environmental condition. Smart homes, home automation systems to manage energy consumption, control heating and cooling system, and reduce wastage. Cloud computing. Reduce carbon footprint. Migrating to cloud services can reduce the carbon footprint as cloud providers often use more energy efficient infrastructure and renewable energy. Scalability and efficiency. Cloud computing allows for better resource utilization and scaling. Reduce the need for excessive physical hardware. Artificial intelligence and machine learning. Energy consumption optimization. AI algorithms can optimize energy consumption in industries, buildings, and transportation. Climate modeling and prediction. using AI for better climate modeling and prediction to understand and mitigate the impacts of climate change. Waste management. AI can improve recycling processes and reduce waste by optimizing waste collection and sorting. Blockchain technology. Supply chain transparency. Blockchain can ensure transparency and traceability in supply chains, promoting sustainability practices. Carbon credit trading. Implementing blockchain for carbon credits trading to promote and track reduction in greenhouse gas emissions. Telecommuting and remote work. Reducing commuting emissions. Promoting remote work reduces the need for computing, thereby reduces transportation emissions. Virtual meetings. Using video conferencing tools to replace in-person meetings reduces the need for travel. Thank you. I hope you liked the video. Please like, share.